There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashmita. So today we are going to create a look with the new products that I received in PR. No idea of any looks that I'm gonna create. I'm just gonna go with the flow. First thing first, let's start off with the moisturizer. For that, I'll be using this moisturizer right here, which is from Believe. This is also the moisturizer I use the most. This works really well for the dry skin. This is a moisturizer which is similar to Laneige that I used the other day on my Tease makeup video. Water based gel moisturizer, dissolves so fast in your skin and doesn't feel so heavy. For the primer, I'll be using this primer right here, which is from GZ Cosmetics. And it says it's color correcting primer, so it does the job for color correcting stuff too. I'm wearing the same amount on this side. It is not so dewy and not too matte, if that makes sense. It is kind of in between the matte and dewy, and not too tacky as well. So I kind of like this. Looks like there's a lot of fragrance in it because it smells really good. So for the sensitive skin, I don't know how it's gonna work. So now for the foundation, we'll be using my most favorite from Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation. And my shade is 7 Warm. So this is it. This foundation really helps to cover all the dark spots. So I'm breaking out a lot in this area because I'm on my monthly time. So for the concealer, we'll be using this one right here, which is from Purr. This is actually foundation and concealer too. This is little lighter for me to use as a foundation. I'll be using it as a concealer because they have this one if you want to use it as a concealer, and also they have a pump if you want to use it as a foundation, which is really good. So many of you say like why don't you speak in Nepali? I would love to speak in Nepali, but at the same time there are so many people who watches the video who doesn't understand Nepali. So I'm just blending it out with my beauty sponge. So today I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and come back. Okay, I did my eyebrows super quick. For the contouring, we'll be using Huda Beauty Dantor in shade Fair. This is the most used cream bronzer. So you know how I do my contour. So I'm just gonna go in and do it like that. For the powder, we are going in with this powder right here. Packaging looks really beautiful and is really fancy. So this is a translucent powder. It comes with this puff. Dip it in. I feel like I can just press it in all over my face. There's a fragrance in this one too. Now it's time for a blush, and the packaging is really chic, like it's luxurious. So let's open this baby up. It's kind of cute. Ooh. That's a lot of pigment. Now for the highlighter, we are using my favorite today. It's almost done. I cannot buy it because it's a limited edition one. So now moving into eyeshadows, we'll be using base first, which is from Charlotte Cosmetics Clean Canvas in shade medium. It really does help with your eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow we'll be using today. The package, look at the package, it's really fancy. They have the most fancier package I've ever seen. Let's just use a pink color. We are creating a very simple eye look with just one color. We're gonna add one more color on our inner corner, which is yellow, like this. Looks much better. So for the eyes, we're not doing anything more than this, and it looks really nice and simple. Anybody can do it. Since it is very simple, we're gonna create a beautiful wing eyeliner. So I'll be using this eyeliner, which is from GC again, and the package was really fancy. I already opened it yesterday because I was way too excited, but the thing is, it comes with a different bottle that you have to put it here, and this is the ink. It comes separately. God, this is really nice. So this is it. I'm gonna do on this eyes and then back. The best freaking eyeliner I've ever used. I'll be using my favorite mascara, which is from Essence. For the lipstick, we'll be using my most favorite brand, which is in Cosmetics, and I'll be using their Cloud Gloss Tender Rose and their Velvet Lip Liner in Mint. So we are done with the look. What left is lashes. I'm gonna do that off camera too and then be back. So I am back with the lashes on and we are done with our look. Today's look was really simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed creating it. So today, this is it. I'm gonna go now and thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you on my next video.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside